warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to thank my heartfelt gratitude to Mufti Sahab, who looked the trouble of the training period and gave very helpful suggestions. On first session, we saw how to become an excellent speaker, and he told about listening. So he told about 4 benefits of listening. The first one, the accent and pronunciation and body language and valuable things we have to take from the speaker. And how we have to complete that. That we have to, first of all, we have to only write in the written form and then subtitle and without written and without subtitle. Then how we have to enhance the topic. So we have to deliver a weekly speech. And the second one, we need to debate twice in a month, and then we have to do a group discussion. Then in second session, in Arabic session, we have to, first of all, we have to join with Quran, and then we have to consider we have to consider the word of the Quran, and then there are three types of words in the Quran. The first of all, the Ambiya and the Waqiyat, and the second one, the Hikamat, and the third one, we have to do the Tadabbur and Tafakkur. And then on the third day, we visit our computer lab, and we visit Urdu class, and then we saw functional grammar. There are many types of grammar. We saw there are 4 types of condition, and we saw regular verb and irregular verb, or causative modern phrases, and we saw homophones also. And the fourth section, we have to take words, we have to take sentence, we have to take phrase from the sentences, and we have to make new sentences from there. Now I will conclude here. Alhamdulillah.